Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, we will discuss about how to create a user account in Salesforce along with a use case scenario. So in this particular scenario, um, so the requirement is a growing sales team at the company has just hired a new sales rep called Mary Johnson, and the Salesforce admin needs to create a user for Mary and assign her to the sales related role, profile, and configure her account to access opportunities, leads, and customer accounts while restricting access to system admin features. So without giving any system admin access, we need to create a sales rep account with the sales user profile or role. So to do that, let's jump into the Trailhead and then we will do it there. So just log into Trailhead, go to hands-on.org and just click on launch. So now here, just go to here and I will show you how we can create. In the meanwhile, let's start. Okay. Click on here, click on setup. Now search for something called users, and we are going to create a new user. Yep. So now here, as per the scenario, we are going to create an account for Mary Johnson, right? So Mary Mary Johnson. So alias would be auto populated. Email, I will keep mine for some time at gmail.com. So make sure the email can be used in any number of orgs, but username should be very unique and it should be something like your email address format. And nickname, you can add anything like Mary, and title, sales rep. So these are optional, but it is good if we provide enough information. So new company, department sales division. So all these fields are called um, all these fields are like standard fields, and here you see these are the roles that are available right now. Let's make this person as director of direct sales, and user license should be Salesforce, and profile should be standard user or else custom sales profile for now at least. These are the custom profiles, one two, and then it should be active. And if you want to give access to additional things, you can give, or else it's okay. Okay, these are like optional, but I recommend you enter. And employee number would be 00009. Street, you can mention any address. Federation ID, this would be given if we are going to configure SSO for this person. And manager, you can give myself as a manager and then click on save. That's it. Now we were able to successfully create the user here, and there are few things that we need to keep in our mind. So that is permission sets and permission set license, permission set group assignments. So permission set license is something if you want to give some additional access through an app, maybe like an example is CPQ. It is a paid tool. we need to assign that license first, and then we need to give the permission set assignments, or else a collection of permission sets assignments is called permission set group assignments. We can do this as well. So let me show you how you can add permission set license assignment. For example, this is a permission set license assignment. I'm just randomly taking it and I just assigning it. So if you see, we were able to assign a CRM user permission set license, and permission set, I can provide anything. For example, I'm gonna give this one for now and this one for now. Click on save. You see? So if the permission set is a part of permission set license assignment, we need to assign the permission set license first. I don't think we have permission set groups. We need to create it. Yeah, and this is how we can create a user in Salesforce. I think this video uh, help you to learn how we can create a users in Salesforce. And one more thing, if you want to reset the password of the user, you can click on here, reset password. And if you want to freeze the user, you can click on freeze. And if you need to deactivate a user, because you cannot delete a user from Salesforce, you can only deactivate the users. So if you want to do that, you need to click on edit and you need to click on this. So it will the user would be deactivated. So I think that's it for this video, friends. In case if you have any questions, please do let me know through the comment section. I would be more than happy to answer it. Thank you and have a great day.